a stunning executive freehold townhome situated within the Pickering Village neighbourhood of Ajax. Welcome to 42 Illingworth Lane. Perennial, interlocking and stone landscaping complement the brick and stone exterior of the home, while the covered front porch and its stately entrance door invites you into gorgeous personal and entertaining spaces, showcasing exceptional upgrades and finishes. 9-foot ceilings are found throughout most of the main level, with the distinctive tray ceiling in the formal dining area having pot light accents and a contemporary chandelier. Open to the family room, these entertaining spaces have California shutters and transoms with their windows, beautiful hardwood floors that flow seamlessly into the family room, and a warm, rich color palette that accentuates the earthen tones of the stacked stone accent wall. Open to the upper level hallway and warmed by a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant facade and mantel, the family room showcases a cathedral ceiling with a fan and pot lighting, as well as 2 stories of windows, flooding this room and the upper level with abundant natural lighting and allowing for breathtaking backyard views. The open concept kitchen and breakfast area has been stunningly upgraded, showcasing ceramic flooring, pendant and pot lighting, a center island with breakfast seating, granite countertops with stacked stone backsplashes, stainless steel double sink and high-end appliances, as well as beautifully finished oak cabinetry with molded uppers and valance lighting, while a butler's pantry with the same finishes as the kitchen is a wonderful convenience for entertaining. Oversized windows with transoms in the breakfast area allow for natural lighting and gorgeous views, and the walkout opens to a covered deck with glass railing that steps down to a large backyard with open work fencing, allowing for unobstructed views of the ravine setting beyond the yard. An upgraded oak staircase with wrought iron pickets and carpet runner leads to the upper level, and just off the landing is an open space ideal as a sitting room or home office. Finished with cozy carpeting throughout this level, the second and third bedrooms are spacious, naturally bright, and have ample closet storage as well as California shutters on their windows, and also share a 3-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and a ceramic tiled frameless glass shower. Through a double-door entry is the luxuriously sized master suite. Overlooking the backyard and ravine, this retreat showcases a double-sided gas fireplace with art niches on either side and has a walkout onto a concrete balcony with glass railing. The fireplace is shared with the spa-like 5-piece ensuite washroom, which features a wall-to-wall vanity with dual basins and a makeup area, ceramic flooring, access to a huge walk-in closet, an oversized soaker tub, a water closet, as well as an upgraded ceramic tiled shower area with rain shower and glass door. The main level additionally features a large coat closet, a well-appointed powder room, a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and access to the two-car garage, as well as a carpeted staircase to a beautifully finished lower level with a walk-up to the backyard. Quality laminate flooring and pot lighting are found throughout the huge recreation area, and there is tons of storage space on this level, including a large unfinished room that is also ideal as a workshop space and which gives access to a cold room. A gorgeous three-piece washroom is finished with a tumbled marble floor and shower area, while the recreation space has a bar and plenty of room for entertaining friends and family. Steps away from Riverside Golf Course and a nature trail that winds its way through the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, this home is also walking distance to Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools, as well as to the heart of Pickering Village's business and entertainment area. While big box shopping plazas and the Pickering Town Centre, the Ajax GO station, and access to highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.